this is what we said. This 36. Here's the pole. We've come back, retraced it, but we have not taken out the low. That's why I said you into the 38s, take something, because as long as this is holding this higher lows, it's going to keep squeezing all the traders that were down here. So that's what I said earlier. Normally I would like this to be a killer trade, but I just don't think so. So I think the idea was trap those traders. They won't get off the hook until after the close, if at all. FOMC tomorrow, we said, very rarely do we have a day where we don't get a contra. Great contra. Moment of truth. I said, be careful, boom, and then comes right back, and here it is. So realistically, the morning belonged to the shorts, and the afternoon came back to the thieves. The boys want it in the afternoon. So I'm personally not going to fight the system. I think right in here, here's our magnet right in here, this 40.75. Getting late, you don't mess up. We had a great day. Why would you ever think about messing up now, late day? So I think that this 40, 75, 41 area is the magnet. And if you took this trade back here, obviously you should be taking something. And the main clue, the main idea is take something out of the day. Not only, profits hopefully, but a mental capital too. Learn something every day. You can see how this is turned around with this one bar. Retest. Came back in, we said, okay, gotta look at it this way now. So the whole key, once we bleed back in here, is you've got to take out this low. If not, then it's still subject to bouncing. And then we're, obviously, this high is in control. So I would be surprised to see us get there, but certainly we could after market. And already this is the setup for tomorrow. You can see it overnight. And this was a beauty here on the 30-minute chart. So I think right now this is squeeze Charlie. Charlie wanted his 28s or 29.5s or whatever. The Lord giveth and the Lord taketh away. Simple as that. So leave it be is my advice right now. And this is the second test of the breakdown. We had one here, and this is the second. And so that's our battlefield right now. And the NQ, same thing. A little bit higher high, respected the low, still intact. See, once you start to put the numbers into your head, remember before we said, okay, 43, 44, support. They break, then we open the door south side. Guess what? This is your retest. So those numbers are still in your head. Okay, 43, 44. Got to talk to yourself. It's like hitting a golf ball. No, don't go in the woods. Get out of there. All right, day is done. Leave it be. It's almost 4. Wrap up. If you've got a trailer, fine. If not. And these were trend trades. And this afternoon, we've had a reversal trade right here. And once you get a reversal trade like this, then you've got to pay attention to the last low. Where it came from. For knock out the 36, and you got to respect it in the 38s.